Hey, how's it going, everybody? Mopar Mike here, and I wanted to go do a new how-to segment on the brand new 2022 Jeep Compass Limited. I've had a couple customers have an issue with the safety and driving assistance features. That's basically your forward collision warning, your pedestrian warning. Basically, when the system does its updates, it resets some of these settings, and then you get the advanced collision warning light come up on your instrument cluster. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to fix that real quick. This is going to be literally 2-3 minutes of your time, and then you guys will be good to go. So let's get into it. Okay, so as I was just explaining, sometimes when the Uconnect 5 system does its system updates, it defaults to turning off your forward collision warning and your pedestrian warning alerts, and you're going to see that right there. That looks like the front end of the car with the off, and it looks like the big star, or I guess that's supposed to be a collision icon. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to fix this. So all this is basically through your radio system here. So the way you're going to fix this is when you're on your home screen, you're going to go ahead and you're going to go click on your car icon, and this basically brings up your your car's different features that you can update. So now you're going to go click on safety and driving assistance, and then you're going to see automatic emergency braking. You want to go ahead and click that. Come on. All right, so now you're going to see you have forward collision warning and you have a forward collision sensitivity. Right now we want the first one because we want the actual warning system in itself, and you're going to see right now it was pre-selected to off. So you can actually click on either one of these depending on your preference, if you just want the warning to go off or if you want the active braking as well. I'm going to go ahead and click active braking. That's the way we like to have these set for all of our customers when they purchase. So we're going to go ahead and do that. We're going to go exit now, but that's not the only thing. If you notice, I just updated that, but if I go back over here, you're going to still see that light is still on. So we're going to go back over here. Now you're going to notice there is a new setting that just lit up. It is the pedestrian emergency braking. And you're going to notice that that is also set to off now. So we want to go ahead and just click warning and active braking for that as well. Come on. So now that I did that, now when I go over here, you're going to see that that light has now been turned off. Alright, so I hope this video you found useful. If you have any questions or anything like that about your vehicle that you'd like to have me do a video on to help you guys, with the vehicle features or settings, shoot me a message. You can find me on Facebook. It's facebook.com/MoparMikeM is my profile. That's also my handle over on Instagram. If not, you can also just shoot me a text. Phone number is 973-970-8156. And you can also find me on my website, which is www.moparmikeNJ.com. Remember, it's Mopar, no car. Have a good one.